how to spot clean Crypton performance fabric furniture. Here's how to clean liquid spills. If you spill a drink or another thin liquid, quickly blot up all the liquids on the surface with a clean, soft towel. For thicker liquids, use a spoon to remove any excess before blotting. After blotting, it's time to clean. First, mix 1 teaspoon of enzyme-based detergent like Tide or Dawn with 16 ounces of warm water in a spray bottle. Remember, more soap is not necessarily better, so you'll want to stick to the recipe. Soap that isn't fully removed from your cushions may attract dirt, so always try removing the stain with just water first. If you decide to use your soapy solution, shake to mix well, then spray directly onto the stain. Remember not to use aftermarket fabric cleaners. This solution or Crypton cleaners are best. Use a soft brush to gently rub the solution into the stain. Work from the outside of the stain, inward. This will help keep the stain from spreading. Rinse your brush frequently while cleaning. Blot any excess moisture as you go and repeat as needed. Remember, soap attracts dirt, so be sure to rinse with clean water to remove all the soap residue after the stain is gone. To rinse, just dampen your cloth, press into the fabric, rinse and wring out all soap residue, then repeat until all traces of soap are gone and the stain has completely disappeared. Once clean, press the area with a clean, dry towel to soak up excess water, then allow your fabric to air dry.